Welcome to part 2. We're going to put this card together. I made this card for the Coffee Lovers blog hop. The link to the hop is in the description box if you want to play along. There are many amazing sponsors. And you can have a chance to win one of the fabulous prizes. I am using the Peppermint Latte paper pad that's in the shop. And I thought I'd bring out this really cute stamp set, Snow Sweet, that is in the shop. It's got these adorable little cups with snowmen on it. In part 1, I shared the paper pads that I restocked, the Pumpkin Spice Season, the Hot Cocoa Warm Hearts, and the Sweet Gingerbread, along with the Peppermint Latte. And I found these cards that I had done a while back, and I just remember how much I love those papers. So this little stamp set is the little hamster one. These cards are so stinking cute. I forgot how much I loved these papers. And this cute little stamp is the Yum Yum stamp. I think there's one left in the shop. Such a cute card. And this stamp set is actually in the shop. It's the Peppermint. I think it's called Peppermint Mocha Season. I'll have it listed in the description box in case I said the name wrong. But the background is the paper from the Peppermint Latte paper pad. And so is that one. And then this one's from the Pumpkin Spice one. Love it. All right, so let's get back to the card. I also brought out this paper pad here, Sweet Strawberry Basics, and I grabbed a pink sheet. I thought this color matched perfect with the color that I created on the cups. So I want to incorporate that in there, break up some of the pattern. I really like this pattern too. And then I have an oval where I want to stamp my sentiment. And I got some ink on here. So I was thinking about something like this. I also want to incorporate this one because it's got the candy canes and the pink. And then have my little cups at the bottom, kind of like doing a little like cheers. Something like that. Wow, that's an exact match, almost too exact. I need a big space here because I want to use the sentiment. It's Peppermint Mocha Latte Season from this Snow Sweet stamp set. I could do cheers too, but I wanted to do the peppermint one. So I have to remember to bring this down so my sentiment fits. And I'll just stamp that, I guess, in the middle. I think I want to break up some of this because this is like so exact. Maybe I can put this in there somewhere. Maybe another strip, and I'll just have like a bunch of strips. So let's cut this down and then cut this down. Okay, I like that better. You can see the cups better. And then I have this peel off sticker, which I think would look kind of cute in between each strip. So let's build this from the bottom up. So we're gonna glue down this one first. And I don't think it matters which way the candy canes are facing. It looks like non-directional to me. And these are kind of see-through. So you will be seeing probably the pattern underneath. So let's see how this is gonna look. And I'm gonna make a cut here since the oval is going to be covering that. All right, let's go ahead and stamp out our sentiment. I'm going to use the Misty for this. Okay, and I think for my oval, I want to add a little bit of ink going around. Let's see, I think maybe this color would work. Just got ink all over my thing. Hopefully the images will cover that up. So I'm gonna do it this way. Oh, let me wipe off my surface. You know what I think would look really nice with this is a scallop. Let me see if I have one. Okay, I like the frame. It's gonna frame out our sentiment. So let's add that to our scallop oval. And this red is also from the Sweet Strawberry Basics Slimline paper pad. If you have some red cardstock in your stash, that would be perfect. I don't have any, so I was lucky to have that paper pad. And now we can add this down. And I'm just gonna put this right in the center, try to get it even on all sides. Let's make sure I have enough room down here so I can do my little images like that. I like that too. Or have them going inward, but I think I like them better this way. Just because you can see the sentiment better. All right, I'm gonna pop up those images. That is gonna look super cute. This card is coming together. All right, let's get this one on where I want it. And then this one over here. I think like that. Okay, so there we go. And then I want to bring out some enamel dots. Or you know what? These Crafty Mama Diary sequence mix matches really nicely, so I might use this. This blue really looks nice. Let's see, the pink. This pink doesn't really match. Maybe I'll just do the blue. The blue, the white, and the sparkling. All right, so I have to bring out some stickles. Let's shine up these little peppermint balls. And then we need a little glitter on this image. So how about his little heart? And then we'll shine up his nose with some Nouveau Crystal Glaze. Ooh, and the peppermints. That's gonna look cute. All right, so cute. Okay, I can't help myself. I'm gonna have to put an enamel dot in the corner. Okay, so I think it is done now. I think it turned out so cute. Okay, so here is a closer look at the card. It is so stinking cute. Love those whimsical inklings images. The sentiment I love. It's peppermint mocha latte season. And guess what, guys? The new drinks just dropped yesterday. So I can't wait to get my peppermint mocha. So I hope you guys check out the hop. All links will be in the description box. Thanks so much for joining me and spending time with me today. I really do appreciate that. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye guys!